The legal action that we're launching is regarding the Ksi Lisims LNG terminal and the scope of consultation and the very premature determination that the Provincial Environmental Assessment Office has made, saying that there will be no impacts to juvenile salmon regardless of where they originate from, regardless if they originate in Gitanyow territory or Gitsan or Nisga'a territory. And that consultation is only with those nations who they have determined to be a participating Indigenous nation. And so for over a year, Gitanyow has called to broaden the scope of this consultation to include Gitanyow because our fish will be affected when they are migrating through Pierce Island. And we have also called for a more rigorous accounting, a full cost accounting of the climate impacts associated with Ksi Lisims, as well as its pipeline, its connecting pipeline, PRGT, as well as all of the gas extraction activities and the gas shipping and burning activities associated with the full suite of activities associated with Ksi Lisims terminal. So that's the nature of our case. And we bring this forth after a year of trying to get answers, trying to be included, and trying to slow down the process to ensure that we are included. And so it is not always the first option to go to court. Colonial courts have their limits in terms of adjudicating and ruling on Indigenous rights, but we could not sit by and let this continue as the review period plugs away. 180-day review period being currently ticking away, and we have our own Huwilp sustainability assessment process, and that is what we would like to have parallel the provincial environmental assessment process. We have provincial recognition that the Huwilp sustainability assessment process is an expression of our IOC, our laws, and we have a good strong precedent of being included in other similar types of projects like the one at Lilu Island and the Morrison Mine. Both of those were in areas that are not in our territory, which we would normally not step in and try and have our voices heard unless we were affected. And we are affected through the juvenile salmon, and especially the Nass River Chinook, upon which Gitanyow has had conservation measures for close to 10 years. So we have not met our allocation for Nass River Chinook because we feel that they are threatened, and there have been Nass River Chinook juveniles that have been found at the Pierce Island site. So those are our main concerns, and what we're asking the court to help us really overturn is the minister's decision to say there is no impact to Gitanyow, therefore there is no duty to consult Gitanyow on the Ksi Lisims LNG terminal.